Students, let us continue with the disk scheduling algorithm. So far we have discussed about the first come first serve, shortest seek time first, scan, circular scan. Now coming to the fifth one, that is the look. So this look algorithm is same as a scan algorithm. Same as scan algorithm, but the difference is, ARM goes only as far as the final request. Means the arm in the scan, the arm is moving to the end of the track, end of the disk. Means suppose if 180 is the last request, even though 180 is the last request, it is reaching up to 199. So after that it coming back. But here in the look, it's just scanning like that only. Means the next largest value, but it only reaches up to the final request only. It doesn't reach the end of the disk, end of the track, last track. It just visits the final request in each direction and then reverse direction without going to end. So it is not going to the end, or it's not reaching the last track. It's only visiting the requested, whatever the request that the user is, the track that we want that. So only those tracks it is visiting. So that is the main difference between the look and the scan. Okay, look is, scan is moving to the end of the disk, means the last track and going back. And whereas the look is, it just visit only as far as the final request. Now let us see the example. Here the disk contains 0 to 199 tracks, and the request queue contains 93, 176, 42, 148, 27, 14 and 180. And the current position of ARM is, current position is 55. Now I had to calculate the total number of track movements of read write head using look. So here I am mentioning the direction is towards larger values. So the larger value, direction is moving towards larger values. Now let us see. The track contains 0 to 199. The arm position is at 55. Now I had to take the largest direction. So the 55, the next largest is 93. Next largest is 148. Next largest is 176. Next is 183. 183. So it is just reaching up to the largest requested final request. It's only goes as far as the final request. It is not going up to the end of the track, that is 199. Whereas in the scan it goes up to 199 and come back. Means it goes to the reverse direction. But in the look, it only goes as far as the final request. The final request is 180. So let's take 180. So the 180 is the final request. So it reaches up to 180. So after 180, it go back, and the next largest is the 42. 42. Next was 27. Next was 14. So this is how the look will work. Okay. So now the total number of track movements of read write using look was, this is one movement, one arm movement, 55 to 180. So 180 minus 55 plus, and this is another direction. So 180 to 14. 180 minus 14. You will get 291. So this is about the look. Now let us see look. So this is both are same, but it goes to the opposite direction, just like a circular scan, but it is not moving to end of the track. Only it moves as far as the last request. Sixth one is see look. Just I am taking the same example. 0 199. The current arm position, read write head, is 55. So first it visits the first largest, 93, and next largest was 148, next largest was 176, next is 180. Okay, it is not moving to the end of it. In the circular queue, what I am saying that in the circular scan, you are moving to the opposite direction of 199. So here, there we are moving up to 0. But here in the circular queue, we have to move to the opposite direction of 180. You are having the least value, that is the 14. So 14, and next largest value of 14 is 27. Next largest value of 27 is 42. So this is a circular queue. So now what is the total number of track movements of read write head using CLOOK? 55 to 199, 180 in one direction. 180 minus 55 plus next 180 to 14 in another direction. 180 minus 14 plus 14 to 42 in one direction. The arm moves in this direction, that is 42 minus 14. So total you get 390. So this is how your CLOOK was calculated. Thank you.